Christine and Darwin and Dodo. And today's video is a little bit special, right, Darwin? Oh yes, it's very special. Do you want to tell everybody what the video is? All right, so some of you know that Christine and I went to Disney World. Yes, we went to Animal Kingdom. And while we were there, we rode the Dinosaur Ride at the Dinosaur Land area. It's my favorite area. Yeah, I imagine it was. So we rode the Dinosaur Ride and we recorded it. Yeah, it's not us, it's just the ride. It's a little dark, but it's pretty awesome. It's my favorite ride. What's your favorite ride at Disney World? Do you have one? Who, me? No, them. Oh, you guys. What's your favorite ride? Write it in the comments below. Also, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe, turn those notifications. And with no further ado, you ready to watch the video? Yep, let's show it. This is the Dinosaur Ride.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll. Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Watching all pilots on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Spinosaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive. Move it.
Warning, meteor strike.
That's close. Computer, now you
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
We're down it! Get him out now! Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You're fun. Yes, I love that ride. It's my favorite. I know. All right, let's go ahead and do our shout out. Yes, if you would like to be the shout out, make sure you comment below. That's how we choose the shout out. That's true. We choose the shout outs from the previous video's comments. So make sure you comment, turn those notifications so you can comment right away and have a better shot at being the shout out in the next video. Yup, yup, yup. All right. Well, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Go be a light in the world.